Welcome to Quote Now, the fastest way to find professional tradies and get quotes for everything from renovations to maintenance to emergency repairs. With Quote Now, you just log in, select your property, then describe your job using the guided form. Attach images, upload videos, and even build in 360-degree views to enable a virtual reality quoting process. Quote Now will instantly request quotes from dozens of local tradies, and you'll get the 3 best quotes back within hours, including their price, availability, rating, and even photos of their completed work. Just compare the quotes and pick your provider. Simple. If you need to reschedule, just use the built-in calendar. Both you and the tradie will always be clear on the booking day and time. When all works are done, make a secure payment via the app to ensure all works are verified and guaranteed. Quote Now eliminates annoying phone calls and guesswork. Get everything you need without all the hard work and wasted time. So why get a quote later when you can get a quote now? Visit us at quotenow.com.au today.